Namaskar and good afternoon to everyone assembled here. Every day holds a surprise, but only if we can expect it, we can see, hear, or feel it when it comes to us. Let us begin the placement day with Tamil Thai Valtu. Thank you. Sunshine is a welcome thing. It brings a lot of brightness. I now request Mr. G. Kannan, the placement officer, Sri Kalishwari College, to formally welcome the gathering.
Honorable Secretary, the most respected principal, respected vice principals, HODs of various departments, placement coordinators of various departments, and my dear students. It gives immense pleasure in welcome you all for this gracious occasion. The post-COVID situation has taught us so many lessons. At the outset, more than 3 million people have lost their jobs. Most of the small-scale industries have been shut down. So there is a great demand for the jobs at present. The training placement office of Kalishwari College, with the noble guidance of our secretary and principal, with lot of efforts, this time we have created around 1,200 employments for the students. In this regards, I welcome our Honorable Secretary for this occasion. Welcome you, sir. I welcome our most respected principal for coming for this function. Welcome, sir. I request our Vice Principal, Mr. Balmurugan, for coming for this occasion. Welcome, sir. I request Ms. Muthulashmi Madam for coming for this occasion. Welcome you, ma'am. And I welcome all the HODs and placement coordinators and teachers from various departments. At the last and the least, I would like to welcome all the students. Thank you very much and good luck.
Thank you, sir. Good things come to people who wait, but better things come to those who go out and get them. I now pleased to invite our Honorable Secretary, A.P. Selvarajan sir, to give the presidential address.
கல்லூரி முதல்வர் அவர்கள், துணை முதல்வர், ஆசிரியர் பெருமக்கள், மாணவ செல்வங்கள் அதற்கு முதற்கு எனது வணக்கத்தை தெரிவித்துக்கிறேன். வெல்கம் அட்ரஸில் வந்து நம்ம கண்ணன் சார் வந்து ஒரு சின்ன ஹேட்டு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அதாவது COVID-19 இருக்கிறதுனால நிறைய தொழில்கள் வந்து சிறுகள் வந்து நிறைய பாதிக்கப்படுது அப்படின்னாங்க. ஆனால் அதே நேரத்தில் நிறைய தொழில்கள், புதுமாறையான தொழில்கள் உருவாகிக்கிட்டே இருக்கு. இப்போ நீங்க 2 நாளைக்கு முன்னால கூட பார்த்துருப்பீங்க, இன்னைக்கு ஈவினிங்ல இருந்து லாக்டவுன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி அனௌன்ஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஆனா ஹோட்டல் வந்து இயங்கலாம், அந்த ஹோட்டல்ல இருந்து பார்சல் வாங்கிக்கலாம். அந்த பார்சல் சர்வீஸ் யார் மூலமா பண்றாங்க? கவனிச்சிருக்கீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அப்ப அந்த மூலமா ஒரு ஜாப் வந்து நம்மளுக்கு கிடைக்குது. அதே நேரத்துல ரோடு சைடான ஹோட்டல்ஸ் எல்லாமே அவங்க க்ளோஸ் பண்றாங்க. சுகாதார கேடுன்னு வச்சு பார்க்கறத விட சுகாதாரத்தை கரைச்சி நம்ம கரெக்டா பார்த்தோம்னா ஒரு ஒரு பக்கம் வந்து அது கரெக்டுன்னே நம்ம சொல்லலாம். அதே நேரத்துல டொமேட்டோ, இந்த சுக்கி என்னமோ சொல்றாங்க, இது மூலமா நம்மளுக்கு வந்து ஒரு சிவகாசிலேயே இருக்கு, நிறைய பேர் அந்த மாதிரி ஜாப்ல இது பண்றாங்க. இப்போ இந்த கொரியர் கம்பெனி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, அமேசான், இந்த ஃப்ளிப்கார்ட்ல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஸ்டோரேஜ் பண்ணி இப்போ ஆன்லைன் பிஸ்னஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாதுன்னு சொன்னாலுமே ஆன்லைன் பிஸ்னஸ்ல வந்து இன்னைக்கு மளிகை ஜாமான் முதற்கொண்டு இப்போ வந்துருச்சு. அந்த மளிகை ஜாமான் முதற்கொண்டு வீட்டில் வந்து டெலிவரி கொடுக்குற அளவுக்கு வந்துருச்சு. இது ஒரு பிஸ்னஸ் தான். ஒரு 10 மாணவர்கள் வந்து நீங்க சேர்றீங்கன்னு வைங்க, இந்த 10 மாணவர்கள் சேர்ந்து ஒரு ஆப் உண்டாக்கி அந்த ஆப்பை வந்து நீங்க ஒரு பர்டிகுலர் ஏரியாவில் இது பண்ணி உங்கள் வீட்டுக்கு வேண்டிய என்ன மளிகை ஜாமானும் பண்ணிடலாமே. அந்த மாதிரி இப்போ நிறைய பேர் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. சிட்டிஸ்ல எடுத்தீங்கன்னா நான்வெஜ்ல இருந்து எல்லா ஐட்டமும் சப்ளை பண்ற அளவுக்கு அங்க இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் டெவலப் ஆயிருக்கு. நம்ம ஏரியால அந்த அது கொஞ்சம் இன்னும் கம்மியா இருக்கு. அந்த மாதிரி இதே மாதிரி வெஜிடபிள்ஸ்ல இருந்து பை ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து நிறைய பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சாங்க. எந்த ஒரு வெஜிடபிளையுமே அதாவது நீங்க கரெக்டான முறையில் நீங்க படிச்சுட்டு இருந்தீங்கன்னா, நீங்க முருங்கை மரத்தை எடுத்தீங்கன்னா முருங்கை மரத்துல வந்து ஒரு பீஸ் கூட வேஸ்ட் போகாதுமா. நீங்க கீரையில இருந்து காயில இருந்து ஒன்னொன்னா எடுத்தீங்கன்னா எதுவுமே வேஸ்ட் போகாது அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கு. அதே மாதிரிதான் வாழைன்னு சொல்றான். இப்ப இந்த வாழையில இருந்து என்னெல்லாமோ பண்ணலாங்கிறான். இப்ப நீங்க இந்த டீ கப் பார்த்துருப்பீங்க, நாளைக்கு நாளோட நான் சார் கொடுத்து காட்டியிருக்கேன். அதாவது தைவான்ல வந்து அந்த வாழையினுடைய இதை வந்து கூழாக்கி அதுல இருந்து அவன் டீ கப் பண்ணி அதை வந்து சப்ளை பண்றான். இது ஒரு தொழில் தான். நீங்க வந்து ஜாப்க்கு போறீங்க இல்லைன்னு சொல்லல. இந்த ஜாப் வந்து ஒரு பெர்மனண்டா நீங்க வந்து இருப்பீங்களா அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து உங்க மைண்ட் செட்ல உள்ள இதை வச்சுதான். நீங்க ஜாப்ல சேரும் போது என்னுடைய ஒப்பீனியன் என்னன்னு கேட்டா, அந்த ஜாப்ல இருக்கும் போதே ஒரு சுயமான தொழில் ஒண்ணு, சொந்த தொழில் ஒண்ணு கண்டிப்பான முறையில நம்ம சிந்திக்கலாம். நம்ம பிரெயினை வந்து கண்டிப்பா நீங்க அப்ளை பண்ணி தான் தீரணும். அந்த அப்ளை பண்றதுக்கு அது வந்து இதை வந்து ஒரு ஏற்படியா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப். செகண்ட் ஸ்டெப், நம்ம ஒரு ஆண்டர்பிரனரா வரணும் அப்படிங்கிற எண்ணம் இன்றைக்கே வரீங்க. நம்ம போய் இன்னைக்கு ஒரு பேங்க் ஜாப் கிடைக்குது, நல்ல ஜாப் தான், உங்களுக்கு சேஃப்டி இருக்கும், செக்யூரிட்டி இருக்கும், ஒரு ஃபியூச்சர் நல்லா இருக்கும், இல்லைன்னு சொல்லல. ஆனா நீங்க ஒரு ஆண்டர்பிரனர் ஆகி நீங்க ஒரு 10 பேருக்கு வேலை கொடுக்கும்போது அதனுடைய சுகமே தனி, அதுல கிடைக்கக்கூடிய ப்ராஃபிட்டும் தனி. ஆனா லாபம் நட்டம் எதா இருந்தாலும் தாங்கக்கூடிய சக்தி நம்மளுக்கு வேணும். அந்த சக்தி நம்மளுக்கு கடவுள் வந்து நமக்கு கொடுத்துறாரு. அந்த வலிமை வந்து நீ கண்டிப்பா நீங்க உருவாக்கணும். அதுக்கு ஒரே இது ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் தான். அந்த ஹார்ட் ஒர்க்கோட சுயமாக டிசிஷன் மேக்கிங் குயிக்கா இருக்கணும். இதை வந்து நம்ம எவ்வளவு நீங்க செய்றீங்களோ அவ்வளவு வந்து ஒரு ஃபியூச்சர் உங்களுடைய பிரைட் நல்லா இருக்கும். இன்றைய காலகட்டத்தில் வந்து நீங்க ஒரு நல்ல ஜாபுக்கு உங்களுக்கு ஒரு வாய்ப்பு கிடைச்சிருக்கு. இந்த ஜாபுக்கு நீங்க வந்து நீங்க சர்டிஃபிகேட் வாங்குறதோட இல்லாம அந்த ஜாப்ல நீங்க ஜாயின் பண்ணி அந்த ஜாப்லயும் 1 or 2 years நீங்க ஒர்க் பண்ணும் பொழுது காலேஜ்ல இருந்து வந்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட் இன்னைக்கு நல்ல பிரைட்டான ஸ்டூடெண்டா நல்லா இருந்தான். இப்போ நீங்க பேங்க்ல எல்லாம் பர்டிகுலர்லி சிவகாசி இதுல இருந்து ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் எடுங்க அப்படிங்கிறான். என்ன காரணம் அப்படின்னா, முதல் ஒழுக்கம், அந்த கட்டுப்பாடு, ரெண்டாவது ஒர்க்மேன்ஷிப். இந்த மூணுமே நம்ம பக்கம் நம்ம ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு. அதனாலதான் நாங்க வேற பகுதிக்கு மதுரையிலாம் மதுரைக்கு போறது கிடையாது, சென்னையில இருந்து போறது கிடையாது, எங்கேயுமே போறது கிடையாது. நம்ம ஏரியா மட்டும் தான் நாங்க இது பண்றோம். பையன் நல்ல பையங்களா இருக்காங்க, நல்லா வேலை பார்க்கறாங்க, நல்ல கோஆபரேஷன் கொடுக்குறாங்க, எவ்வளவு நேரம்னாலும் ஒர்க் பண்றாங்க. இந்த எவ்வளவு நேரம்னாலும் ஒர்க் பண்றாங்கிற ஒரு வார்டு வரும்போது, இப்போ நீங்க வந்து ராத்திரி 11 மணி வரைக்கும் 12 மணி வரைக்கும் ஒர்க் பண்றீங்க ஒரு ஹையர் அத்தாரிட்டிக்கு, அவர் உங்களை வாட்ச் பண்ணி உங்களுக்கு வந்து சீக்கிரமா உங்களுக்கு வந்து ப்ரொமோஷனுக்கு வந்து அவரே ரெக்கமெண்ட் பண்ணிப்பார். ஒரு 6 மாசத்துக்குள்ள இது வந்து உங்களுக்கு சேலரியும் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும், உங்களுடைய போஸ்ட்டும் உங்களுக்கு வந்து இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் ஹையர் போஸ்ட் வர்றதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு உண்டு. அது மூலமா அவங்களுடைய எக்கனாமிக் கண்டிஷன் வந்து கூடுறதுக்கு ஒரு வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. அப்படி இருக்கும்போது அடுத்த சிந்தனை ஃபியூச்சரை வந்து நீங்க கண்டிப்பா சிந்திங்க. இதை வந்து ஒரு அட்வர்ஸா இல்லாம ஒரு ஸ்டேட் ஃபார்வர்டா நீங்க திங்க் பண்ணி ஜாப்பும் வேணும், அதே நேரத்தில் ஆண்டப்படனும் ஆகணும் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு திங்கிங் வந்து கண்டிப்பா உங்களுக்கு வரணும். அது மூலமா உங்களுடைய வாழ்க்கையை, வளமான வாழ்க்கையை, ஒரு பொருளாதாரத்தில் ஒரு சிறந்த நிலையை நீங்க அடையணும் அப்படிங்கிறது என்னுடைய வாழ்த்துக்கள். அதை அடைவதற்கு எல்லாம் வல்ல இறைவன் வந்து உங்களுக்கு அருள் கொடுப்பார்.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your inspirable speech and blessings of the students. I now request our most respected principal, Dr. Krishnamurthy sir, to felicitate this gathering.
Most respected our Secretary A.P. Selvarajan sir, Vice Principals Dr. Balamuran and Ms. Muthulakshmi, HODs of various departments, placement cell coordinators Mr. Kannan and Mr. Venkatesh Kumar, placement cell in charges of various departments, and my dear students. Good afternoon to you all. Let me start with congratulate you students first for your achievement of being placed in different companies. Indeed, it is a very good achievement, no doubt, because we all know that it is an unusual year. Still, we are continuing with the pandemic crisis as well as pandemic situation. But even then, we are able to achieve this very good placement record. As such, we wanted to invite to the college all the placed students by conducting placement day for 2 days, today and tomorrow, by grouping the students into 4 batches. But suddenly there were new guidelines from the side of the state government. That is the reason we have given up that idea, and today we have invited only limited number of students. But at the same time, now this program is being relayed live. Those who are not attending, now they can view this program by being at their home. As our placement officer, Mr. Kannan, told, this year we have received placement orders to the extent of 1,200 in number, benefiting nearly 565 students. So in this connection, every year I will make such an appeal. The same appeal I will make this time also. Except those students who are going for higher studies, please all of the students join the workplaces. That is more important. You must join. Then only the company, in future, they will come to our college. The companies will have the confidence with our college. You see, this time we have got some new companies. They have come to our college. For example, Britannia Industries. They have recruited some of our students. It is a pan-India company. Naturally, it may be placed elsewhere, even in some other states. Don't have a hesitation. Don't think that you should work only in Sivagasi or nearby Sivagasi. Don't have such an attitude. Don't think that you should work only in your nearby native places. That is not the right attitude. Wherever you are posted, you must be ready to join the duty. You develop such an attitude. Then only you will have a progress in your life. Confining to a particular center means you will not make any progress at all. You must be ready to work elsewhere, anywhere, other states. Even you are posted at Kashmir means you will be mentally ready to go over there. As on date, you see, from India, 2 crore people are either pursuing their studies or working in foreign countries. They are working in different places in the different parts of the world. They are prepared for it. So don't have any such hesitation. Wherever you posted, you just you take a decision that you are joining. Suppose you are going for higher studies means it's okay. Again, we have postgraduate courses, you can come and join our colleges. Otherwise, better you join wherever you are posted. This is very, very important. Then only in future, more and more companies they will come. Your juniors will be benefited. That is the reason I am saying. Next one is right after writing your summative exam. Naturally, you are going to leave the college unless you come forward to join the PG courses. After writing the exam, you are leaving means don't think you are disconnected with this college. What is our expectation is you must have a continuous bonding with this college. That's more important. You must come to the college, visit the department, get the prior permission from the HODs. You talk to your juniors. That is more important. You tell them how you are benefited, what sort of courses you attended in this college. Because in addition to regular academic activities, we do have you by this time, you know, we do conduct so many skill development programs, employment oriented programs. You attended all those programs. That is the reason that you got placed now. That is the reason. You tell your juniors how you are benefited. You share your work experiences with them. You motivate them. That is more important. Because you are the stakeholder. Once you complete your degree means you become a stakeholder of this college. You must have your own participation in the growth story of this college. That is more important. You have the affinity. We are expecting such things from you people. You promote our college among the plus 2 students. You motivate them to join our college. You promote our college among the public. You tell them the benefit of joining this college because you are the beneficiary. You tell them how you are benefited. You tell them how you got the job. Tell them how you are promoted. Then the people will believe in it. They will come and join. More and more students are joining here means more and more students are benefited. Like you, now you are benefited. Like you, your juniors should also be benefited. So finally, it is my duty to congratulate our placement cell. The biggest task is done means because of the effort taken by the placement cell. Let me appreciate, let me congratulate, let me thank both the placement cell coordinators, Mr. Kannan and Mr. Venkatesh Kumar, as well as placement cell in charges. Moreover, I want to thank the staff members who are taking regular classes in the bank coaching classes. Recently, we have conducted bank coaching classes for Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank. I got a good feedback from the students. Already one of the students, the the student was as such attending our bank coaching classes. Already he appeared for a Reserve Bank of India exam. He told me that the classes he has attended here is more useful in writing the RBI exam. He told me confidently that even he will get through the RBI exam. So that is the level of coaching classes we have conducted. So let me thank all those staff members. Once again, I thank placement cell. Once again, I congratulate you all students. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for giving us detailed instructions and informations about the importance of job. And once again, we are thank you for your wishes. And I now pleased to invite our respected Vice Principal, Dr. P.K. Balamurugan, sir, to felicitate this gathering.
Most respected Secretary of our college, Sri A.P. Selvarajan, sir. Most respected Principal of our college, Dr. S. Krishnamurthy, sir. Vice Principal, Madam, and the HODs of the various departments, placement coordinators, and placement staff in charges, and my dear students. Once again, good afternoon to one and all. And first of all, I congratulate all the students placed in various organizations. Normally, the expectations of the corporate is totally different from the expectation of the teachers or an education institution. So far, you are in a comfort zone, and due to the pandemic situation, you are not attending the classes for the last 1 year. So that create some good habit as well as some laziness in your regular routine. But the organizations are not at all encouraging such type of people. I'm not threatening, I'm just sharing what the corporates are really expect from the candidates. From once you joining with the organization, you are known as the employees of the organization, not the students. As a student, you have enjoyed many things and you have lived in a comfort zone. For example, if you are not submitting assignment in due date, as teachers, we are insisting to submit it by tomorrow. But the corporate, there is no such exemption. So you have to fulfill the requirements of the corporate. What are all the things assigned to you within the given time? So you should create such type of mindset in your career for your career better performance. And the next one is you belong to various departments and you have recruited by number of organizations. Some of the organization may be relevant to your domain subject, or some of the organization may not be totally irrelevant to your domain subject. So you should not think that education or the learning has completed as you are leaving the college. But learning is really start when you are joining with the organization. You have to learn what is happening in the organization for your betterment as well as for the betterment of the organization. And again, the recent trend in HR is reskilling and multi-skilling. Organizations are expected to perform any number of roles assigned to you in various areas of operation. So again, you have to enrich your skill by learning by your own experience. There won't be any special teachers for that, but only by your experience you are going to reskill and multi-skill your existing skill. So you should create such type of attitude in your mind. Without that attitudinal change, you cannot survive in the highly competitive corporate world. As Califarians, I hope you are all having such type of an attitude in your mind to compete with the other competitors. As rightly said by our principal and secretary, sir, Sivagasi people normally they are ready to work for number of hours, but the Califarians, you have to prove that we are meant for that. So I appreciate all the placed students and I wish you for your bright future. And I am also appreciating the efforts taken by the placement cell of our college with the support and guidance of our principal and secretary, sir, for having placed more than 500 students in with 1,200 offers during this highly pandemic period. So once again, I congratulate the placement cell and the members and the placement cell and the students for your better future. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you so much, sir, for your encouraging speech and congratulations. I now request Madam Muthulakshmi Vice Principal to felicitate this gathering.
Respected Secretary Sir, Principal Sir, HODs, coordinators, placement coordinators, students. Good afternoon to all. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the students who got a appointment order during the campus. Congratulations, students. Already principals are, secretary and vice principals are, has told enough about the importance of job and how you have to behave in the corporate, what they are expecting from you people. My point is, don't think that those organizations who have visited to our campus and chosen you is not good. They are not MNC. Don't think like that. Because in my previous experiences, some of the students they don't want to go for the companies who visited to our campus. I asked the students what is the reason. They told that no, ma'am, I expect more than this. So before enter into the MNC, first you should have the experience regarding the working environment, how to behave, how to manage the situations. That is more important. You can get all these kinds of experience in the organizations which is very nearer to you people. And don't think that they have visited here so that it is not a good organization, it is not having enough background. Don't think like that. They have chosen our college based on the reason which our secretary sir has told. Even the bank has chosen our students because the students are very disciplined and they are hard worker. The same reason only most of the companies prefer because your seniors, that means alumni, previous students, previous years recruitment, that shows them that the students from this college, they are hard worker. Based on that only they visited regularly to our campus. And also the effort taken by the coordinators, principal and secretaries are, because of that you got appointment without taking much effort. But just refer with the nearby colleges. In most of the colleges, they even they are not arrange any campus, and the students from those colleges they suffer a lot. They go for job interviews regularly for just for 7,000 salaries. So don't think that it's not uh, a good organization like that. Uh, this is also a good organization. So you have selected in the good organizations. They are also equivalent to MNC. So in these also you can get the same experience and give same kind of salary, because in the beginning they normally give minimum salary. Later on, based on your working hard work and your efficiency, they may improve your salary package. So, for both the girls and boys, if you don't want to go for higher studies, you must go for the job for which you got the appointment order. As per our principal's statement, if you miss the chance means your juniors won't get the chance from that organization. So for that reason only, at least try to go for the job. This is the great opportunity. People are very lucky. Because உங்களுக்கே தெரியும், மற்ற காலேஜஸ்ல நீங்க கேட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா, என்னோட நம்ம காலேஜ்ங்கிறதுக்காக நான் சொல்லல, நிறைய காலேஜஸ்ல they won't give enough training for the students regarding placement, and they won't organize any campus, and students are suffered lot. So இது வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஒரு நல்ல opportunity. Don't miss it. All the best. Thank you.
I would like to thank Ms. Nithalashmi Madam for her enthusiastic speech on joining the jobs in the organization. Now I would like to welcome Dr. Femina to take the dais.
Good afternoon to all. Hearty wishes to all the students who have got placement. At the outset, I would like to thank our respected Secretary Sir, Honorable Principal, respected Vice Principals for encouraging and supporting our department in all the activities. So it is my pleasant privilege to present the 4th edition of our department's annual magazine, Honeycomb. So it actually comprises the creative writings of the students in the form of short stories, verses, and pencil sketch, literary pencil sketches, and the research articles of the teachers, as well as the success stories of the Department of English in the academic year 2019 to 20. So we count ourselves really lucky enough to release the journal, and the editorial members of the Department of English would like to request our secretary sir to release the copy. Thank you.
We request our secretary sir, principal sir, vice principal sir, and madam to distribute the offer letter. K. Dhanlakshmi, 3rd BA Tamil. B. Shakti Kumar, 3rd BA Tamil. V. Shakti Kumar, 3rd BA Tamil. N. Alageshwari, 2nd MA Tamil. V. Murugan, 3rd BCom CA. G. Yuvaraj Chermakani, 3rd BCom CA. Archana Devi, 3rd BCom. Madesh Shankar from 3rd BCom. Rutra Selvam from 3rd BCom. A. Ashmita Rani from 3rd BBA. G. Murugalakshmi from 3rd BBA. V. Marishwaran from 3rd Computer Science. M. Rajkumar from 3rd year Computer Science. A. K. Prakash Theozen, BSc IT. S. Karthik Raj, BSc IT. S. Balapriya, 3rd year BCA. K. Durga, 3rd year BCA. J. Jayasingara Priya, 3rd year BSc Mathematics. M. Vadivu Lakshmi, 3rd year BSc Mathematics. K. Sandhya, 2nd year MSc Mathematics. Physics. G. Vaishali, third year BSc Physics. N. Mogit Akash, third year BSc Physics. G. Shenbaha Rajan, third year BSc Physics. Madan Kumar from BSc Botany. S. Jyoti from BSc Botany. Gayatri from MSc Botany. S. Ranjit Kumar from BSc Chemistry. S. Brinda from BSc Biotechnology. P. Bharani Shankar from BSc Biotechnology. A. Manoj Kumar. A. Manoj Kumar from MSc Biotechnology. A. Vanitha from BA English. S. Shanmughavel from BA English. V. Satyapriya from MA English. J. Aravind John from MA English. M. Saktivel from MCom CA. K. Arpudaraj from MCom Finance. K. Durga from BCA. Thank you, sir. Once again, very good evening to everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to propose the vote of thanks in this placement day function. I'm very much thankful to our Honorable Secretary Sir, who is always supporting us in organizing the placement functions on campus, off campus drives. Thank you very much, sir. And I extend my heartfelt thanks to our respected principal, sir. Whenever we are approaching principal sir, he said okay for all the proposals and give valuable suggestions in organizing the placement activities. Thank you, sir. And I extend my grateful thanks to our Vice Principal Dr. B.K. Balamurugan sir and Madam Kulakshmi, who is always giving the greatest support in organizing this placement functions throughout the year. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. And uh, without the department placement in charge, we cannot achieve this much greatest success in this year. I'm very much thankful to the department placement in charges. Thank you, sirs. Thank you, madam. And last but not least, the Kalishwarians. Without you, we cannot cross this much of milestone. Thank you very much for your active participation. Thank you, one and all. Let's all stand for national anthem.